Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Zero-Turn Riding Lawnmower 2026. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the coolest and most efficient machines for yard care, the Zero-Turn Riding Lawnmower.
Top 1.
Cordless Electric CrossoverZ Zero-Turn Riding Mower. The Cordless Electric CrossoverZ Zero-Turn Riding Mower helps make yard work faster and easier for anyone who wants a clean and even cut. This mower runs on battery power, so there is no need for fuel or oil changes, making it cleaner to use and better for the environment. The smooth turning ability lets users move around tight areas without missing spots, giving a neat finish in less time. Its electric system works quietly, allowing you to mow without loud engine noise. The zero-turn riding mower design offers strong control, which helps cover wide lawns with less effort. It moves easily on different types of grass and helps keep lawns looking well kept. The seat is built for comfort during long mowing sessions, reducing tiredness while working. Because it runs on electric power, users avoid exhaust fumes and enjoy a cleaner working experience.
Top 2.
ProRun 60V Zero-Turn Riding Lawnmower. The ProRun 60V Zero-Turn Riding Lawnmower brings a new way to handle lawn care with speed and control. This battery-powered machine helps users finish mowing jobs smoothly without dealing with gas or oil. Its design focuses on easy movement, allowing you to cover more ground with less effort. The electric setup makes operation cleaner and quieter, which is helpful for anyone who prefers peaceful yard work. With the zero-turn riding lawnmower, turning around flower beds or trees becomes simple, saving time and reducing strain. The mower's build supports smooth driving, letting users glide across wide lawns or narrow spaces comfortably. Its power system gives strong performance, keeping grass neat and even with every pass. Because it works without fuel, there are no fumes or messy maintenance steps involved.
Top 3.
The 5 HP Kawasaki Zero-Turn Lawnmower offers a reliable solution for homeowners seeking efficient lawn maintenance. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability, making it suitable for various yard sizes. The mower's engine provides consistent power, ensuring a clean and even cut across your lawn. Its user-friendly controls simplify operation, allowing both beginners and experienced users to handle it with ease. The design emphasizes comfort with features that reduce operator fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the mower's construction is built to withstand regular use, offering durability over time. Its efficient performance helps in maintaining a well-kept lawn with minimal effort. The Kawasaki engine is known for its longevity and reliability, contributing to the mower's overall performance.
Top 4.
RER3856V Li50 Riding Lawn Mower. The RER56V Li50 Riding Lawn Mower offers a modern approach to lawn maintenance, combining efficiency with eco-friendly technology. Its design caters to homeowners seeking a reliable solution for managing their outdoor spaces. Tractor Supply Co. Operating with a 56V battery, this mower delivers ample power to handle typical residential lawns. Its structure is built to withstand regular use, ensuring longevity and durability. The mower's design emphasizes user comfort, allowing for extended periods of use without significant strain. YardForce.tools. For those interested in sustainable lawn care, the 56V battery-powered mower presents an option that reduces reliance on traditional fuel sources. Its operation produces fewer emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment.
Top 5.
Husqvarna XSite Z375 26HP 747cc Kohler Engine 60. The Husqvarna XSite Z375 26HP 747cc Kohler Engine 60 is designed for homeowners seeking efficient lawn care solutions. Its robust engine delivers consistent power, ensuring smooth operation across various terrains. The mower's design emphasizes durability, with a sturdy frame that can withstand regular use. Its performance is tailored to meet the needs of residential lawns, providing a reliable tool for maintaining a well-kept yard. Operating with a 60-inch cutting deck, this mower covers a wide area, reducing the time spent on lawn maintenance. The deck's design ensures an even cut, contributing to a neat and uniform lawn appearance. Its construction is aimed at longevity, with materials selected to endure the rigors of frequent mowing sessions. The mower's engine is engineered for efficiency, offering a balance between power and fuel consumption.
Latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.